Welcome to this tutorial on how to put a background image into a div tag, which is part of an area on your web page. I'm in Dreamweaver and I'm working on a blank web page which I've saved as index, and at the moment I have no styles at all defined. So the first thing I'm going to do is define my ID. So I'll go over to my CSS tab and click on the plus to add a new CSS rule. Now, because I'm creating an area that's going to have a background, it needs to be an ID, which falls under the advanced selector type. It must start with a hash, and I'm just going to call mine hash banner. Now, the first thing that needs to happen, because I don't have a style sheet, is I need to create that style sheet. So Dreamweaver prompts me now to give that a name, which I'm going to call styles. And once that's saved, I'm now going to format it. So the first category I'll go to is the background category, and here I have the option of setting a background color, but also in this case, which what I'm going to use is a background image. So I'm going to click on browse and get my image. Now I'm just going to click once to select it, and you'll notice here on the right hand side it gives you the width and the height of the image. Now you need to remember those, because that's what we're going to set the width and the height of this ID to. So you can see it's 750 by 199. So I'll click OK, and now I'm just going to head to the box category, which is where I set that, and here I'm going to set my width to 750 and my height to 199. Now I just click OK, and nothing will happen on the screen initially because I haven't actually inserted that div tag yet. But you'll see up in my style sheet now I've got my styles.css, which is the style sheet, and hash banner, which is that ID we just created. Now if I come to my web page, I'm going to insert the div tag and select from the ID box banner. When I click OK, there you are, the div tag appears with the image in the background, and we know it's in the background because I can add text over the top of it, and you can see in fact Dreamweaver inserts a bit of dummy text for you, so typically I would just remove that, and there we go. And that is how you put a background image into a div tag.